It's the start of the 2023-2024 legal year in River State. And to kickstart the new legal year, members of the bench and the bar are in church to give gratitude to God and seek His support and guidance. The occasion marks the first time Governor Fubara will be participating in the opening of the new legal year since he assumed office 5 months ago. Midway into the rededication service, the immediate past governor of the state and minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Wike, who is also a life bencher, made his way into the church to the delight of the congregation. It's the first time the two will be seen in public together since their disagreement began.
We need peace. Everybody should just relax. We need peace. For us to progress in the state, we can only do that in an atmosphere of peace. Please.
Governor Fubara also took advantage of the moment to again sue for peace and declare that Wike remains his boss.
My Oga remains my Oga. Whatever that has happened is past. I want us to continue to pray for the peace and development of this state. Please, I'm begging, I've not sent anybody to malign anybody. That is the truth. So I'm appealing to you, please, let's give peace a chance.
The ceremony then shifted to the auditorium at the River State Harcourt complex, with Governor Fubara assuring of his commitment to the rule of law, welfare and independence of the judiciary.
To provide tangible support in creating a sustainable environment to secure effective judicial independence and the efficiency in justice delivery in our dear states.
Dagbo Biakame, AIT News Port Harcourt, South Nigeria.